Most Instacart shoppers choose cash advance apps based on ads instead of what actually works for gig workers. And that mistake can cost you money fast through hidden fees, failed repayments, and tiny borrowing limits. In this video, I'll show you the best cash advance apps for Instacart shoppers in 2026, which apps approve gig workers more easily, and how to avoid the traps that keep many shoppers constantly short on cash. Let's get straight into it. The biggest challenge Instacart shoppers face is inconsistent earnings. Some weeks are packed with high-paying batches. Other weeks are slow and unpredictable. That matters because many traditional financial apps still prefer steady paychecks. One of the top options for Instacart shoppers in 2026 is Empower. A lot of gig workers like it because approval is based heavily on account activity instead of traditional employment verification. So, if Alex shops consistently and receives regular Instacart deposits, the app may approve advances even without a normal 9-to-5 job. But here's the problem. Most new users expect large advances immediately. That almost never happens. Apps usually start with smaller limits until they trust your deposit history and repayment behavior. Over time, limits can increase if you use the app responsibly. Another strong option is MoneyLion. It offers higher potential advance amounts for some users and includes extra banking tools that many gig workers use daily. For example, Jake shops for Instacart 5 days a week and keeps steady deposits flowing into the same bank account. That consistency can help unlock larger advances later. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some newer apps are built specifically for gig workers and freelancers. Apps like Grid and Giggle Finance became popular because they understand irregular income patterns much better than traditional lenders. And for Instacart shoppers, that matters a lot. This is where most people fail. They focus only on how fast they can get money and completely ignore repayment timing. Imagine John takes a cash advance before a busy shopping weekend. Then the repayment gets pulled automatically during a slower week when batch availability drops. Suddenly, he's struggling again before the next payout even arrives. That's why repayment flexibility matters more than most people realize. And here's another important tip. Instant transfer fees can quietly drain your earnings. Paying small rush fees over and over adds up quickly across an entire month of gig work. In a minute, I'll show you the smartest way experienced Instacart shoppers actually use these apps. The best strategy is using cash advances only for expenses that help you keep earning. Things like gas, tire repairs, phone bills, or emergency car maintenance. That way, the advance helps you stay active instead of creating a bigger financial problem later. So which app wins overall for Instacart shoppers in 2026? If you want easier approval with gig income, Empower is one of the strongest choices. If you want larger possible limits and extra features, MoneyLion stands out. And if all your income comes from freelance work, gig-focused apps may fit your situation best. The key is choosing an app that works with your real income pattern, not against it. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite cash advance app for gig work. And stay tuned, because next we're comparing the best no-fee instant cash apps in 2026.